Good morning, everybody. We're here at HGPerformance for day 2 of our Supra build. Today we have a Pure 700 turbo and some Koyo heat exchangers going on in the Supra, and then yeah, we'll see what we can make happen and how smooth this install will go. So let's get started. So here we have a stock frame Pure 700 turbo. As you can see, I don't know if you've seen the original inlet, but it's significantly bigger. Once we get the stock turbo out, we'll do a side-by-side comparison, and I guarantee you it's a big difference. And then we have a Redstar downpipe, easily one of the best, highest quality downpipes or pieces of exhaust that I've come across. The attention to detail and quality is pretty much unmatched. I'm still blown away by how good everything looks here. So I'm pretty excited to see how that all comes together and fits. So let's start tearing shit apart. So first things first, as you can see, the turbo is right there. We just got to get the intake out and the stock downpipe. Okay.
You've got your strap on.
We are a child-friendly channel. Wow, everybody at one time, huh?
That's bullshit.
We're gonna have to wait for an official result on that one.
And the results determined that that was a lie.
You're gross. That tastes bad.
That'll be a great shot.
Yeah. I guess that's one way to pull it off. With violence.
Still not as shitty as doing a turbo on an STI.
No, not that bad.
I mean, if you weren't filming this,
Oh, we'd be done.
yeah,
100%.
you'd be doing it super fast.
Supra fast. That's gonna be your car afterwards.
Super out of fuel.
Supra out of fuel. All right, we got the turbo out. Took a little bit longer than normal just because filming does take a little bit longer. But this is the difference between the stock turbo and the Pure 700. And I think I did a little bit of measurements here. I can't really get my calipers in there completely, but I think it's around 50 millimeters. Whereas this one, get back to this. Is 62.8 or around there. So very big difference. And I'm excited to see what it does. So let's start putting all the lines on and the wastegate actuator on, and I guess we'll get started. I think that's my new catchphrase, is let's get started. So I'm rolling with it. Okay, so that's good, that's getting deleted. Moving on up, moving on up.
Did you take a picture of all the lines on the turbo before you took it off, or is your memory just that good?
I know, I took pictures of all the lines before I took them
I
off.
wouldn't remember that shit.
Yeah, because there was a specific order of how you had to take them off and how you had to put them back on.
So if you get
Yeah.
fucked up.
And it's funny because one of the lines isn't bolted in, it just floats. And you have to put it in this way and then clock it so that it goes underneath the casting.
The rotation tab.
Yeah. What are you doing?
What am I doing? I came to see this Supra.
The Supra.
Came to admire this lovely beast. Has Dylan from Dilly Tune works on it. Does a professional, amazing job.
Ha. Ha. The only thing that makes me a professional is that I get paid to do this. I
Is that paying you to do this?
No.
You're not a professional today.
Oh no, I am not a professional today. I'm not even monetized.
Soon.
I have to develop a personality first. Hold on.
Wait a minute, that might take too long.
Personality loading.
What?
All right, we are officially. We're done with the turbo, and the downpipe. We have all the lines connected. We did an oil change just because you should always do an oil change when you put a new turbo in. I think it's probably always a good idea. However, we did also add a new Varus heat shield just because, you know, looks good, and it keeps the heat away. And do I need to explain that you don't want heat? Anyways, I think we're gonna wrap this up for this video just because I don't want to have a 45-minute video that none of you are gonna watch. So for the next video, we're gonna be installing a set of Koyo heat exchangers. Those guys are right here on both sides. Shouldn't take too long. I've said that before and it's taken hours. So we should be good. But yeah, until I decide to release the next video. Bye.
Oh no.
Do I have the red dot? Yeah.